What's up, Shiba Inu fam? Hopefully you're having a great start to the weekend. Hopefully you celebrated yesterday on St. Patrick's Day. I did like no celebrating at all, but I want to talk bull market, guys. All right. Shiba Inu has been waiting for a bull market. This is what is really going to get the price of SHIB running and also the broader crypto market. Obviously, it follows what Bitcoin does. It follows what the rest of the market does. And if we do officially enter a bull market, that's where things are going to get very interesting. That's where we could probably see some of those prices that we've seen historically. Now, as always, this is not financial advice, but I want to walk you guys through this. So right now, Bitcoin is obviously sitting around 27K. And it just blew through some of the levels that we had prior resistance in, okay? 20K, 25K, and now 27. If Bitcoin does not stop here, if a bunch of shorts are liquidated, we could see Bitcoin easily blow through 30K. If it blows through 30K and holds, I will officially say that we are in a bull market. Okay, I've said this whole time, I don't think we're there yet. We need more time. You know, there's bad macro factors, which there still is. But I've also said too that the market will recover before the economy does. That's historically what has happened. You guys can go check it out for yourself. In pretty much all markets, the stock market, in crypto, they start to recover before the economy does. And we may have already seen the bottom. The more and more I look at this chart, the more I look at the SHIB chart, the more I look at the Bitcoin Fear Greed Index, they are all indicating that this bear market is either over or just about over. And this is really what SHIB needs in order to run. Now, obviously right now, we're working through what Voyager is selling off. Okay, they've obviously been going through, they've been liquidating like pretty much all their assets, right? Ethereum, SHIB, there's a few other coins that they hold in big reserves as well. And they're working through selling these off. Now, if we do enter a bull market, this may actually put pause to their selling. And the reason why is it's more beneficial for them to sell when they're going to make more money. So don't be surprised if over the next week or so here, next couple weeks, Voyager sells less if they just stop selling. We have a big macro factor coming up in just 4 days, that FOMC meeting. And this is going to be a big indicator whether we continue to run or whether we're going to stall out and go back down and retest 25K and all these things. Okay. If we do get a 25 basis point hike, if we do get a 50 or a 0 basis point hike, I think we're going to continue to head up. There's a lot of shorts that could be liquidated here. I guarantee there's a bunch of people that are opening up short positions at this point. They think that Bitcoin's not ready to run and they want to see the price obviously go lower. But this is a dangerous area, all right? It's a dangerous area for any shorts. And if you guys are shorting, by all means, do what you want. But I would not touch shorting with a 10-foot pole right now, okay? Could we come back down? Could we retest 25K? Yes. Could we get back down to the high teens? It's possible. But the longer that we're in this spot, the longer that we're in these higher prices, the less likely it becomes that we come back down to touch those levels. That's the important thing. SHIB could sit around the same level. Do I see SHIB going back down to 509? You know, it's still within that range that it could touch it, but it would need some pretty serious negativity, some pretty heavy selling in order to get down there. Everyone's prepping for that now. The Shibarium mainnet launch. They're preparing for the SHIB metaverse. You know, Bone is starting to take off as well, and things are going to get very, very interesting here in the near term. Like I said, this could be where we officially get that bull market confirmation. So just be prepared, pay attention. 4 days. That is where this all comes down to. Okay, focus on that date. Pay attention to what's happening, and hopefully hold on to our seats. Right. Now, I appreciate you guys as always. Definitely show your support below if you guys haven't already. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.